Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to a new Behind the Scene number 4. In the Behind the Scene, I explain all what happened at the studio, to give news about the studio, to give news about the course, all what we try to create at the studio. So for the people who don't know me yet and who just arrived on the channel, I'm Alex Tourgis, I'm the founder of Tourgis, and we are a team of 3 people plus a network of freelancers. And I'm trying to show how I build this studio and the kind of project we are building, the course we are creating, the content. I try to share you the insight of all these things. And the main goal now, it's of course there is always the production, the client's project that are always working all year. And at this time of the year, the focus is on the course because you are all waiting this, and the things are going well because I can announce you that I finished to write the course. So this is a huge step. Everything is right, and the chapter I define, I write everything. Now what I need to do is to spend a few days to read everything again and to check that the structure is good, that I don't say bullshit, and that everything have a link, because the goal is to bring you from the beginning of one project, from A to the end of one project, passing by the strategy phase, first passing by the all client prospection, client attraction, also client call, create your quote, after get your client, organize the project, set up the project, the kickoff, the strategy, the UX phase, the UI phase, the phase to prepare all the assets for Webflow, the Webflow phase, the when you publish the project, and what happening after the promotion. Everything. So everything is right. As I say, now I need to read during few days for see if everything is okay, to also correct my English, because my English is not perfect, so I need to correct, because it's gonna be I need to have some guideline to also for the course. Don't be a shit to to listen. So this is important for I have a structure, for I try to talk well, to don't do a lot of mistakes. Like now it's more a live podcast, so I'm trying to take care of the way I'm talking, but of course there is mistakes in the course. The goal is of course not do so many mistakes. And so I think I have for a few days, and after that I will start to record. So now we are on October 2, October 7, and I think I have for, let's say, 3 weeks. If I do 3 weeks intensive to record, I think it can be great. After, it will be the editing phase, and this, I don't know how long it will take me, so I'm not gonna give any timeline, but we are on time. I don't know when will be the release date, but it's getting closer, so this is good. I don't know if it will be end of October, beginning of November. I guess if it's beginning of November, it's not a big deal. The most important is the course quality is great, So the things are going well, and I'm super happy. I will share with you the structure. I wanted to talk about other things, so this was for the course side. To talk about last week I get reached by 3 big clients, like a project between, let's say, 50k and 120k, and this make me understand a lot of things. You don't catch a client of 20k like you catch a client of 70k, 100k, and for this I need to see again my way to introduce the studio, the way we were, the process, our case study. For example, a lot of clients, when you reach this kind of big budget, they ask you like a presentation, like a pitch deck. So I needed to work on this last week. And it's something that I never did before, because before I just a call, I present the way I work. I talk a little bit with the client to give him a little bit of reassurance about Webflow, the way we work, I mean, and all the questions you have. But when you reach big project like this, you need to be a little bit more, because also something that don't happen a lot before, but you are in competition with other people, you know. Before, and also on smaller project, people come to me first, and after, if they don't have no one, they will reach another person. When it's a big project like this, people try to catch the best agencies, they reach out few, and they will make a selection maybe 2-3 weeks after. So it's another process that I need to handle, and I mean it's good because I learn a lot, and yeah, if it gives me the possibility to reach new kind of clients with a bigger budget, we can help to grow the studio and recruit people. That's awesome. And yeah, the other thing is about content. It's 2 weeks that I'm trying to post content on LinkedIn and Instagram, Twitter. I mean, yeah, but focus more on LinkedIn. And I tried to do this kind of, I tried to do this kind of shitty post, you know, where a long text, where you explain something. And, you know, this kind of typical content that you find on LinkedIn. And it worked actually, because I gain more subscriber and follower than on a regular basis. But I don't like, and doesn't look like Tambien, you know. So because we try to be in the top studio, and he's not creating this kind of bullshit content that I don't think it helped on the identity of Tambien. So I tried, it's funny, it brings followers, but this is not what I like. So this week and last week I'm trying to focus more on what is Tambien, you know, and the goal of Tambien is to be recognized by the work we do, by the awesome work we do. I'm not saying we're doing awesome work, but we try to do the best, and we try to be in the short list of the best studio in the world. I mean, that's the goal. I don't know if we are, but one day we will be. And for that, I want people recognize us for the work and not for the bullshit content that I'm writing, you know. So I'm focused more on video and to try some stuff about the studio, and that's why I try to post some short, but the statistics are not good like a normal video. So I'm gonna keep trying to see how it works, and also in Instagram, because the kind of short on YouTube is the same content that in Instagram. So it works to try, because I really want to work my Instagram, because I don't have a lot of, we have 700 followers, but it's not crazy, you know, compared to a YouTube channel, or even on LinkedIn where I have 4,000 people. So I think I'm gonna focus on LinkedIn, yeah, and Instagram. I mean, of course, YouTube is the main basis, but as a social network, because LinkedIn is good for client and Instagram is good for community. So Twitter also, but I think on Twitter, even if I have a good base there, I can't focus on everything. So I think Instagram is cool if you use well sharing more insight, more stories, and share you more piece of on the daily basis of what I'm doing on the course. I think it's also good. So I'm gonna try to focus on this. I prepare, for example, 4 shorts for this week, and let's see how it's going. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the studio. I hope this kind of video you like, but the goal was, the main goal of this video was to give news about the course, but to resume, everything is going well. I'm super happy and super excited. Once I'm gonna release this course, I'm gonna be so happy, because it's, everything is inside, So it's long, it takes time, and you've been patient, but yeah, the end is really near. So, and yeah, I will post a video. I will try to post more content on Instagram on daily basis to talk about the course or about the studio, so you can follow there. And let's see in 15 days here to have a catch up about the course and the studio. See ya.